Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You need the taskbar unlocked first so you can move it freely. Right-click and disable Lock the Taskbar. Once done, make sure no maximized windows cover the desktop edge. This gives you room to grab and drag. If you use multiple monitors, confirm which screen is primary because the taskbar may snap there. Now place your cursor on an empty taskbar area, not an icon, and prepare to drag. This initial setup avoids accidental icon moves and ensures predictable placement. You click and hold on an empty part of the taskbar, steady pressure, not double-click, and begin dragging toward the edge you want. As you move, watch for the visual indicator line that shows where windows will dock the bar. Move slowly near corners so it chooses top versus side correctly. Release the mouse button when the indicator aligns with your target edge. If the taskbar returns to its original place, that usually means it's still locked or a display scaling issue is interfering. You should lock the taskbar now to prevent accidental dragging. Right-click and enable Lock the Taskbar. Once placed, make minor adjustments in settings under Personalization, change taskbar size, combine icons, or show badges for clarity. If the taskbar refuses to move, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager first because that clears transient glitches. If problems persist, check display scaling and multiple monitor arrangement in display settings. This resolves most issues quickly, so your taskbar stays exactly where you want it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.